Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Nissan Altima SR in Super Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 4-inch infotainment display, rear backup camera, audio jack input for mobile devices, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5656A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.